The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
This show is proudly sponsored by coinspot.com.au, with the largest range of cryptocurrencies anywhere in the Australian market. With an updated verification process, you can now be verified using only your driver's license or passport within seconds. You can instantly deposit funds and instantly start buying and selling your favorite cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes. CoinSpot are giving away $10 worth of free Bitcoin for each verified user once they make their first deposit. Just go to coinspot.com.au/BTC123. G'day everybody, welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Having a good start to your day. Just wanted to go through and have a look at the top 10, run you through what I'm seeing at the moment because there's a little bit going on. Not a lot, just a little bit. So of course Bitcoin's hanging out up the top end, doing very little for the time being, just holding up around those highs. I am waiting for one of two things. I'm waiting for a pullback on the daily, back into maybe 4,700 or so, even 4,800, or I'm waiting for a continuation on that, the 4 hour, looking for higher lows and higher highs, going to those lower time frames then as well. So right now, while there's not a lot going on, I have been going across and monitoring a number of the Bitcoin pairs, Bitcoin crosses, so looking to build sats as opposed to building dollars. And there are some opportunities out there if you know what you're looking for. Plenty of cradles setting up right now, and also a bunch to look out for tomorrow when those 2-day candles close. Now, through the news, we're saying vulnerable short term apparently, but that's fine. You know, we're waiting for a pullback there. I think it's important to have. Next, Bitcoin core release to finally let hardware wallets connect to full nodes. Okay, fine. Leading advocate for Mt. Gox creditors quit, saying Bitcoin payouts could take years. Facebook wants $1 billion in venture capital for Coin Project. Of course it does. But that's a positive for the space. And again, more talk in the biggest social sharing media platform in the world about blockchain and crypto. Everything you need to know about the South African cryptocurrency ecosystem, fine. The ledger Bitcoin tops 5,000. Elon Musk for Dogecoin CEO. Okay, that's pretty old, that news. China plans to ban cryptocurrency mining in renewed clampdown. That's interesting. Bitcoin will skyrocket as buying pressure consolidates post 53.50, says eToro's person. Cryptocurrency ecosystem does not require more than a dozen exchanges. Okay. What else have we got? Not a lot more in the news, really. Actually, there's a final thing I wanted to discuss here. Institutional Bitcoin trading volume see 4th month of growth. Now, let's not forget that I don't use volume. I don't care about volume. It's pretty convoluted, but also the thing is you know, I did yesterday on a Facebook Live, I showed exactly why I don't use volume. It's pretty simple. If we get a big bullish candle, we're going to see a big green volume candle. That's the way it works, guys. A big candle is represented by more buyers than sellers. That's why it's a big candle, and it's typically met with strong volume. As a matter of fact, I can't find any examples on Bitcoin especially where it hasn't meant that. So you can forget about volume for now. Good to know that the volumes are increasing, but as far as trading decision-wise, nope, I do not use it at all. So let's go through and have a look at this top 10 right now. Ethereum against Bitcoin, nothing for me right now. When I look at the 4 hour, if I talk about the 8 hour though, if it pulls back into maybe around that 172, 173 mark, that's the sort of area that I'll be looking for trading opportunities from. With EOS, we are sitting there consolidating at $5.58 with resistance at $6 and support at $5. We're sitting just above the midpoint. Happy to sit back, watch and wait. It's up 0.11%. So let me start again with pricing. We've got Bitcoin down 1.78% as we come into the close of the day. Ethereum down 2.56%. EOS up 0.1%. Stellar Lumens has had quite a decent pullback today. You know, when you comparative, so when it's compared to the rest of the market, down 4.36% and looking like it's pulling back into that cradle zone. For me, Ripple right now is sitting at the 35-cent mark, knocking on the door of support, which is the upper level of that consolidation. It's one that I am happy to look at on the 16 hour, but unlikely to see anything right now as we are about to see that candle close. Litecoin against the dollar is down 3.1%. And again, pulling back in, I want to see a pullback to $73 or thereabouts. That would be the level of choice for me. BAB, or Bitcoin Cash, is also down 4.64%, sitting at $297 and still holding quite up around those highs. Binance against Tether is sitting right now up 1.78% with a bullish candle in the cradle zone. Now, it's not the strongest looking chart for me for a trading opportunity, but it has held its ground today, one of the few to do so. Tron is down 2.37% and also holding in that region right there up around those highs. I want to see more from this chart pushing to the upside to get my opportunities for trades. And finally, Cardano down 3.85%, now back in that daily cradle zone. As we approach 10 a.m., which is literally in about 10 seconds, we will see new candles print. Go out there, do your scans against the Bitcoin pairs, ladies and gentlemen, because there are some good opportunities out there. As a matter of fact, I'm just about to jump on and do a video for all my Market View subscribers. Guys, if you haven't already got yourself on the bi-weekly video newsletter, then you need to. It's pretty simple. You go to tradercobb.com. Underneath the video, you'll see a little area. All you need is your email and your name, and then you will get access to the videos that I do twice per week. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll speak to you all again very soon. Bye for now. This show is proudly sponsored by coinspot.com.au, with the largest range of cryptocurrencies anywhere in the Australian market. With an updated verification process, you can now be verified using only your driver's license or passport within seconds. You can instantly deposit funds and instantly start buying and selling your favorite cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes. CoinSpot are giving away $10 worth of free Bitcoin for each verified user once they make their first deposit. Just go to coinspot.com.au/BTC123. Views are of the advertiser, not Trader Cobb or the audio presenter.